everyone, it's me, Mrs. Fortunato, here to help you. We're working on 12-5 today. How can you solve word problems involving money? So hopefully you already saw the visual learning bridge. So I'm going to go ahead down to the solve and share, or the convince me, I should say. And here it says, in the examples above, how can you use place value to help add or subtract? So know that when you're adding and subtracting, it's very important that we're adding by the place values, just like with whole numbers. You want to line up the hundreds, tens, and ones. When you're subtracting or adding with decimals, same thing. You want to make sure you're lining up the whole numbers, so the whole ones, and you're lining up the tenths, and you're lining up the hundredths together so that you're subtracting the right digits and the right value. And then another example, there's an example of some money and how you can divide. So we have $633 divided by 3. You can see how we made 3 different groups, just like you would use with whole numbers. So you can use the same thing with money. In our guided practice today, we're going to practice writing some fractions and decimals with money involved. So we know that this dime is equal to 1/10 of a dollar, or 10 cents. And so we want to figure out this. We have 3 dimes. What would be the fraction of that? So we have 3/10, right? And then our decimal, what would that look like? So I could put that dollar sign. We don't have any whole numbers, and we have 3/10. So I might write it like that. So even 3/10, but it'll be written as, you could say it would be 30 cents. This would be read as 30 cents, or if it's just a decimal, it'll be read as 30 hundredths, or 3/10. You could read it as each one of those ways, and those are all correct. And then number 2, I'm thinking about the same thing. So now we're talking about some pennies. So now a penny is equal to 1/100th of a dollar. So it's much smaller. We know we need 100 pennies to make a dollar. And this is how you write it as in the dollar sign. So how would you write 3 pennies? You would write 3 hundredths, so 3/100. And then as a decimal, I put my dollar sign there back again. I don't have any whole numbers. I don't have any tenths this time, so I'm writing 0. I just have 3 hundredths, so I'm writing my 3 in my hundred spot. So that's how you would write 3 hundredths, or 3 cents, as written as a decimal. Over here, we have this problem. So Marcus has $15 and he buys a movie ticket for $11.25. How much money does Marcus have left? So you can see here that we have $15. We have 10, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. That makes 14. And then we have 4 quarters, and 4 quarters makes $1. So here's our $15 here that we have. So all we have to do is subtract $11.25. So we can just cross out $10, $11, and then 1 of the quarters. So that would be $11.25. And what he has left, he has $3. So I'm going to put my dollar sign here. How much money he has left. Oops. He has $3, 3 whole dollars, and he has 1, 2, 3 quarters, and we know that that is 75 cents. Count by 25, 50, 75. So he has $3.75 left. Okay, the independent practice. You're going to be solving some problems, and you can use some coins to help you, or bills to help you solve. You can draw them and use them. You might want to use your Pearson tools. They have some money in there too to help you in the math tools box. And you can use it problem solving as well, and all the way down to the assessment practice. Okay, well, that's it for now. Hope that helps. Bye, everyone.